to Chloe's class. Hi, welcome back to Chloe's class again. Today we will do fruit kebabs. Today you will need skewers, raspberry, banana, strawberry, and grapes. So let's start. So first you have to wash your hands and wash these fruits because they might have germs. So we're going to put the grapes, now the strawberries, the bananas. Oops, one fell. Come back! Then we're going to put the grapes again. You have to put it in the middle so it doesn't fall down. Then the strawberries and the raspberries. And now the last one. If you want to put more, you could pour more of these. You don't need to copy my fruit kebab. And now we're done. And this is what it looks like. Don't forget to eat your fruits and veggies, kids. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Bye.